Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy SUI on Phantom Wallet. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. So either in your mobile device or in your browser, just go and open it up. Now in here, if you're not aware yet, Phantom Wallet is constantly giving or using updates on the app or extensions that we're currently using right now. Now, in this case, if you try buying it in here, as you can see by default, you may not be able to see SUI here immediately. So as you can see, when I type it in, it doesn't show up. Guess the thing with this one, it's still under beta. So if you want to buy SUI, you just need to go and click on your profile icon or account icon in the top left, and you want to go ahead and click on the settings icon at the very bottom here, and scroll down a bit, and you want to click on active networks. Now you want to enable SUI beta here, turn that on, go back a few pages, and once you've done that, just click on buy here, and you should be able to see SUI. So go ahead and click on it, specify the amount that you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy like around $20. This is just an example. Go ahead and specify that. And you could go and choose which payment or codes you want to use. So you have providers like Binance Connect, Transact, MoonPay, but obviously it's going to give you the best deal that you get here, like Binance Connect. Make you go ahead and click on buy here. And from here on, you just need to fill out some details about the transaction itself. So it will ask you to provide like basic information, your name, and confirm a few things. Now, depending on the provider that you've chosen, well, in this case you went with, you could go ahead and fill out some details. So each provider or each platform that you'll be buying from has their own protocols. So in this case, they will ask you to provide your email address here, click on login, or you need to create your account. But yeah, so first some platforms need you to authenticate, but typically after you authenticate yourself, you go and just provide your payment details, like your card number if you're choosing your card details as a payment method here. So by the way, before doing the purchase itself, I would really recommend you to basically do your own research on the platform that you're using here. Obviously, there are going to be a lot, but doing your own research, checking the background on which platform you're going to buy from is something that you should be really looking into at. But yeah. Again, you just need to complete the verification process here, and typically at the very end, provide your payment details, and after a few minutes or a few seconds, you should be able to receive your SUI. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.